I'm Susan. Today I'm fixing to do a project. I'm making a sign, and I'm using this Dollar Tree sign, and I just flipped it over, and I'm going to use the back because I just figured it'd paint better. And I paint the whole back with the Waverly chalk paint and ink, and I paint the sides as well, and I just give it one good coat and then dry it with my hair dryer. This Halloween Dollar Tree challenge is hosted by Brittany Allen Crafts and Actually Allie DIY. Both of these ladies are very talented, and I will have their channels listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. I highly recommend you go and check them out. You won't be disappointed. Now that my paint is dry, I write out the saying, and I decided to do this myself instead of using my Cricut or anything. I tried to do a little bit more with my handwriting and such, and I just wrote it out with my pencil and went back over it in my white paint pen. It took a couple of times to get my pen to flow the way I wanted it to, but it finally started doing pretty good. I'm pouncing it, that's why you see my arm. And I write it out, and once I write it out, I do go back and dry it with my hair dryer and then trace over it again. And now that I got my saying, I'm going to cut this little pumpkin in half. It's just styrofoam. And I'm going to decorate the bottom of my sign. I know the pumpkin came from Dollar Tree, and I'm pretty sure the flower did too. If it didn't, it came from Walmart. Since there is only one stem, I just use a piece of this skewer and just went over it with my black pen, leaving some of the brown to show through to make the second stem. And now I just hot glue everything into place. This is a very easy and quick craft project. And as you can see, I really get into my painting. And here's the finished project. What do you get when you divide the circumference of your jack-o'-lantern by its diameter? Pumpkin pie, of course. I don't know. I thought it was funny. My husband's sons rolled their eyes. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell. Thank you, Brittany and Allie, for hosting this challenge. Go check out their channels, everybody. So until next time, bye, y'all. Challenge. So until next time, bye y'all.